Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
A very good evening to all. Myself, Ms. Arpita, faculty of But and But Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya Sainik as well as in RMS classes. Well, my dear students, last class we have started with a chapter called series. Series is nothing but sequentially arrangement of terms. In that, there are two types of series, number series as well as letter series. In the previous class, we have solved the problems on number series. In today's class, we'll solve the question and answer session on letter series. Keep in mind, don't write when I'm teaching. Listen to the class. If you have any doubts, you can chat in the chat session or you can raise and your option. So students, before solving any chapter, whatever it may be, whether it may be our English, whether it may be our intelligent test, I request you to read the instructions once or twice. Okay, read the instruction, understand, then follow it. Okay, so what is the instruction to solve the letter series? The same thing what we have used in that number series, they will be given with the series and then they will be indicated with question mark. So we have to continue that series. So the same thing is for letter series. So let me not waste the time. Let us solve the first question on number series. So the given question is A, C, F, G, double G. Okay, listen to me how to solve this. The first step is, as soon as seeing the question in series, what you have to do, you have to take down the question as it is. Let us write A, C, F, J, and then the question mark I have indicated with a box. Now students, let me see A to C. What is the difference now? A to C. See here, A, B, C. What is the difference now? A to C. See, that is +2. If you are moving in the forward direction, it is indicated by plus. So it is +2. Okay. And then C to F. Next letter. C to F. So C, E, F. How many letters are there between them? There are 3 letters. So it is +3. And F to J. F, F, G, okay, H, I, J. Okay, in this time, what you have to do? You have to leave F, okay, or you have to leave J. So I leave J. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is +4. Next J after next letter. So now I have got the logic. I have to go with, see, 2, 3, 4. Next, let me try with the 5. So K, L, M, N, O. K, L, M, N, O. J after 5 letter, that is O. Let me write that O. So see, we need to check that. No, why? Because we already got the answer O. And you have to check. So next check O after 6 letter. P. What is that? O, P, Q, R, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So 6th letter is U. What is the logic you have here? You have a logic. Okay, you have a logic +2, 3, 4, 5. Students, keep in mind, you may ask now, ma'am, how to find out that. See, J to O, right? J to O, you have to find out. You have to write all the letters. J, K, L, M, N, O. So you have to count how many letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will get 6 letters. You have to leave J. Okay, you have to leave J or you have to leave O. You should not leave the both. You have to leave any one letter. So that you see J, K, L, M, N, O. You can leave J or you can leave O. It's left to your wish, but you should not leave both, only one. Okay, so now what is the logic here? The logic is the series contains plus, 2, 3, 4, 5. So J after next 5 letter is O and then next it is Q. Therefore, option C is your answer. Is there any doubt in this question now? Is there any doubt? No? Take down first. Meanwhile, I'll mark your attendance. Take down first. I'll give you 2 minutes of time. Take down. We'll move on to the next one. No need to write everything, whatever it is on the screen. You understand and bend your neck and write it. Abhiram. Is there Bhumika? Is there Abhiram, you have a doubt? It is not like you should draw the diagram. It's left to your wish. How you can understand, you can. Bhumika is not there. Ashit is there. Lakshmi is there. Rochan is there. Sai Prajwal. So if you have any doubts, only you have to raise your hand. I'll mark attendance myself. Okay, no need to worry. You people carry on. Okay, Dhruti, noted. For all present, I mark. If you have any doubt, only you can answer. Okay, I'll mark here. I have a hand. I'll press it here and I'll see. You people carry on in with your writings. Aniket absent. Let me move on to the next one now. Let me move on to the next one. Ardik. Lalit. Pratham is there. Pritam is there. Rochan, Sanvi, Sairam. Yes, mark your attendance. Okay. So hope you all understood this one. We'll move on to the next problem. Guys, if you are not done with it, please take a screenshot of it. Okay. Tarish, leave the session and join first. Your internet is too low, so you are not able to see. You will be getting black screen. So leave the session and first again. Join again. Okay. So if you are not written with it, please take a screenshot of it. Let me move on to the next one. So guys, let me move on to the next question. Listen to me. Don't write. The given question is, what is that given question now? A, D, E, H, I, L question mark. What is my first step now? My first step is, as I told, take down the series as it is. What is the given series? A, D, E, H, I, L, and then question mark I have written in the box, and then next question mark. So students, A to D. What is the difference now? A to D. See, I told you, no? A, B, C, D. I said A, leave A or D. You should not leave the both. Okay. Always try to leave the first letter. So it is 3. D to F, obviously it is only one letter, right? Only one letter. And then E to H. How much? E, G, H. Okay, sometimes it is not for all. So E, F, G, H. I leave E. How many letters? 3. So Ange, check for everyone. So the series carries plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. So L. What is that after L? After L you will get M after 3 letters. N-O-P. So it is plus 3. What is the logic here? I have to use plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. Like that you have to solve it. Solve it in your book. Do you have any doubts in this problem? Therefore, which is your option? Option A. Yumpy. Okay. Ashit, no. Yum to O, what is the difference? See, yum and O-P. Okay, O-P. So I should leave yum. So it is P, right? So it is option A. That is MP. Is there any doubts? Understanding what I'm teaching? Yes, take down. And today I'll give you the assignment on analogy. I have given assignment on classification, and Monday I'll complete this chapter and I'll give assignment on this. Okay, so it will be perfect. Once I'll make sure that I'll upload all videos. Okay, all videos of the class. If you're not understood anything, you can go through it. Okay, and I'll not give anything. Keep in mind, students, again, you should not tell me, ma'am, whatever you did in the class, it is not given. No, I only saying I won't give whatever I did in my classes. Always you have to apply the logic and get. See, AGHI, I have taught you the method. Okay, you should apply to the another question. See, today only I am telling whatever I did in my classes, no, that question will not be given. Why? Because you people should practice. Even though you get less marks in test, no worries. Okay, we'll practice. As a quote says, practice man makes perfect, right? Practice it. You people can think, wow, Arpita ma'am didn't thought it, even should she got the same question in the exam, different way. Yes, you have to try the different itself. The same question what I have given, what is the use of that? No. So the logic, okay, logic what I have applied now. Someday somebody asks, ma'am, how can we know that? You have to apply the logic the same. That is what the intelligence. Why is session? Intelligence. Use your intelligence. Try all the problem. The same logic will be given, but the same problem will be not given. And one or another day, you should not blame me, ma'am. You are not given what we thought. Is it fine with all now? We'll move on to the next one. I hope everyone are understanding. Please, guys. Now, only the concept here. Obviously, guys, I will not give will be out of the box. Only the concept. Okay. And supposed to tell something. Guys, I was about to tell. Guys, listen here. You people should not fear to ask your doubts. Okay, whatever it may be, you have to clear your doubts in the class. Not, I don't know about other classes. I want everyone to be understand perfectly what I'm teaching. That is my teaching, my wish. Okay, so if you ask for 100 times also, I'll teach you. Not a problem. But I want you people to ask your doubt. Leave it that. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. ಅವ್ರು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ನಗ್ತಾರೆ, ನನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ನಗ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಥವಾ somebody will laugh at me, or ma'am will ask a question again to me. I'm repeating in both Kannada and then English. Why? Because some people won't understand Kannada and some people won't understand clearly English. Okay na? ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಗ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ನೋ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು. ಇವನ್ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ವೈ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ರೇಸ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾರೇ ರೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹೆಸಿಟೇಟ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೌಟ್. The same thing I repeat in English. See, nobody knows everything here. If I teach itself, you can understand, isn't it, guys? So don't hesitate to ask your doubts. I want everyone to clear what I am teaching in my class. Hope you all understood this. We'll move on to the next problem. Okay, guys, next, listen to me. The next question is CFILO. What does this CHILO? Guys, listen here. Take down the question as it is. The first step is take down the question as it is. So, C to F. What is the difference? C, D, E, F. So how much letters? I told you to leave the first letter. So how much? It is plus 3. Okay, plus 3. No, guys, now don't waste the time. You got the reason, right? What is the check for the next one? F to L. F, G, H, I, like that. Plus 3. Now, don't waste time to solve the middle one. After O, the next 3 letter is O, P, Q, R. Leave it O, P, Q, R. That is 3. Is there any option? Yes, that is option A. That's all. So the series contains plus 3 series. See, I want to tell you something. Why I'm telling these tricks? Here Arpita ma'am will wait. Okay, what you people completed the notes, or if you ask me, ma'am, go back to the next step. Yes, I'll be wait. But your examiner won't have a patient to wait you. If you know or if you don't know, they grab your paper like anything. Ma'am, please, ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am. No, they won't give you. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ನೀವು ಟೈಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ half an hour ali you have to solve everything. That is why I have given all the tests for only 1 hour. Okay, you time management is very very important. Okay na? See, ellaru heltare, everyone will say after the train went, the taking of ticket is waste. Yes, we have many other options. We can cancel that ticket and we have booked for another one, right? But once you leave the exam hall, we can't go and sit to write the same exam. Hello? So once you have written the Sainik exam, even though you know the answer, if you request to the evaluator is not your Arpita ma'am, the invigilator is not your Arpita ma'am. Okay? They'll not wait. So make sure that you have to use our tricks. See, what is a trick now? Use for the second letter. First 2 letters, C, I got 3. Next, check for the next one. Yes, no need to waste of time for using these 3 letters. Go finally to the last and check the answer, get the answer. This is what the time management is. And I want in the test, I don't know how you will do. 1 hour time will be given. Utilize that one. If I say anyone will be finishing at 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, I won't value your paper. Keep in mind. I won't give a rank list to your class. I want everyone to utilize all hours. Okay. I mean, do it, practice it. That is what now you will do. You should do it, because I'm not given whatever we did in the class. It is not science or it is not English to give or whatever it is. My teaching and my ethics is different. I want students to practice more. Students, see, you are writing in with the entire of India. Okay, how the people are brilliant. Even you people will see that in the TV and all, how they are brilliant. That is why practice makes man perfect. It's like, ma'am, I have got low marks in test. No need to worry. You get practice. You can do it one or another day. Okay, copy it soon. These many things no one will tell you instead of class. Finish? To be honest, students, I don't have idea about selections. Okay, I don't have idea about selections. How many seats? I don't have idea. You can call to the coordinator and I don't have idea. Sorry. Okay. So the next question is, so we'll move on to the next question. So question number 5. So students, still now see what they have given. They have given with the only one letter. C after comma F. So one letter. Now they have given with 2 letters. So in that, what we have to do? So take down the series as it is. Don't write. Listen to me. Take down the series as it is. D, F, G, H. Okay. Pairs. D, F or pairs. G, J or pairs. Now what you have to do? See, Compare with odd to odd. Okay, odd to odd, even to even. Odd andre what is odd? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, etc. 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 What do you mean by even? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12? That is okay. So see here, what is the position of D? The position of D is 1. So I have to compare with third letter. I mean odd place. Compare it. Okay. D to G, which is the third letter. That is G. Okay. And then 2 to 4. Okay. And again, third letter to which one? Fifth letter. Okay. Third letter to fifth letter. Again here, second letter to fourth letter. Like that. Compare with odd to odd, even to even. So let me do it now. I have already compared. See, D to G. What is the difference? D, okay, E, F, G. Okay, leave it D. That is 3 letters. And F to fourth letter. F to J. What is that? 4. Next, D to J. That is the series carries plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. Now let me see. R. R after 3 letters. T, U, V. And next, T after 4 letters. T, U, V, X. That is option A. What is the series now? The series follows plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. Okay. Plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. If you are confused with this, one more method. Okay. One more method. Okay. One more method. See, write first word and then your third word. Okay. And then write second word and then fourth word. Okay. Who is this Kusha? You are not supposed to send the link there. Okay. Now find the difference. D to G. What is the difference? Plus 3. Okay. And F to G. What is the difference now? Plus 4. You can find out like this if you are confused. But keep in mind, you have to take odd to odd place, even to even place. When we have to take, when they have given with a pair of alphabets. Did you understand the problem? See, when writing in your book, solve by your own and get the answer, look at the screen. It understood that whether you have, why it is you are not a copycat to copy on whatever it is on the screen. Okay. Yes, copy it. I mean, write down, not to copy. You're not copycats. Which operation is this? It is not operation. It is not operation, Ashik. If we get the pair, we have to do this. Logic. It is not operation. It is logic. Okay. Many of you felt that Arpita ma'am won't teach good while teaching mathematics operation, right? Or you people are understanding now? Over? Wait. Finish writing. Very good, Kushwan. Writing. Pushpa ma'am asked, no, I saw Pushpa ma'am is next to me only. Previous class, she asked you people to tell the square numbers. I saw. That's why I won't ask. Why should I have to waste my time now? Next to me only Pushpa ma'am is sitting. I know. Ankit told 11 to 20. See, even I listen to the class. Okay, hope you all understood this. We'll move on to the next problem. Okay, next problem is, yeah, see, I'll concentrate. Okay, guys, see and to me, listen to me. The next one is three letters. Okay, there is no X here. There is no X here. Okay, they have given with three letters. See, the questions are, they have given with only one letter. They have given with two letters. Now they have given with three letters. What we have to do now? Yes, thank you, Preeti. So three letters. What we have to do? The same thing, because it is very easy than that. Okay, wow, if you don't know to do like this, no need to worry. If you don't know to do like this, okay, if you don't know to do like this, don't worry. What you have to do? No, B M W. Okay, BMW car alla, BMW. Next word. What is that? D N V. Okay, D N V. B to D. What is the difference now? B to D. What is the difference now? What is the difference to D and V? To B to D. C, D. That is plus 2. M to N. What is the difference? Plus 1. Next, W to V. What is the difference? W to V. What is the difference, guys? Minus 1. Why? Because we are forwarding. See here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. V after W. V after W. V after W. How many words I have skipped? Only one. So after means it is minus 1. So it is minus 1. I have got a logic that is plus 2, plus 2, plus 1, minus 1. Apply for same, no? F, O, F after 2 letters. G, H. O after 1 letter. P. U before 1 letter, T. Therefore, which is your option? Option D. That's all. No need to waste of, doing the middle ones. Find out the answer. Why I have did know to look nicely in the class. Okay. If you don't know to do, write it down by down. Okay. Did you understood now? Have you understood this problem? Shall I teach you one? Yeah, one more time. My voice is low. Oh. I'll teach you. Yes. Can you able to hear me now? Can you able to hear me? Can you able to hear me now? Yes. Okay. I'll teach you one more time. I'll teach you the same. Sun we raised on your hand. I'll teach you the same problem one more time. So till now what we have did, they have given with one letter and they have given with two letters. Now they have given with three letters. So guys, why I have written this? No, to look good in the PPT. Okay, like the presentation, it's good. If you don't know to do like this, no worries. How the another method? No, B M W. Okay, BMW. It's not a car. BMW. The next word is, there is no X here. Okay, the next three letters D N V. Okay, G N V. Compare it. B to D. What is the difference? C D. That is plus 2. M to N. M after N. So it is plus 1. Okay, plus 1. And then W to V, A, B, C, G, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. First, I should tell U, V, W. One letter after. So, I have to write minus 1. So, what is the logic? Plus 2, plus 2, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, plus 1, minus 1. So, apply for the last one. F after 2 letter, G, H, O after 1 letter, P, Q, P, U before 1 letter, T. Therefore, which is your option? Option D. No need to waste your time by doing middle things. If you want to do the middle things, compare with D and D. If you want to check D and V. And then F, O, U. F to D. Plus 2, minus 1. Did you understand the problem? Very easy. Diagram looks complicated. To look good in PPT, no, so I have represented. If you don't want to do that, no. Yes, diagram looks complicated. That's why, but it is easy. But to looks nicely, I have done. No need. You can go with your roughly. Okay. Diagrams looks complicated. Yeah. Did you understand the problem, everyone? Let's copy down. Finish. Right. In the question, by miss, I have typed X. There is no X here. There is no X here. If I clear it, went. There is no X there. Completed? Everyone are understanding what I'm teaching? Finish. Okay. So guys, few more problems left on this alphabet series. We'll do it in the next class. Okay, no need to worry.